we go. Get this nut off of here. I think we got her. There we go. Now we can just tap, tap, tap this one out. One way to skin this cat. There we go. I'm not talking tight the bolt, I'm talking tight up in here. And rusty. Now let's see how easy this bolt comes out. Ta-da! You know what? Yuck! Oh, I'm getting better at this. Here's the deal. You can move this horizontally. You can move it this way. And that gives you a lot more room to pull it off of here. So once you release this, if you pound it this way, once you release the bolts up here, it gives you more wiggle room to actually get it out, so you can pull it that way. So another little thing I've been learning as we go, because these are oblong holes, that allows you some movement. And of course it's a cam bolt, so it has to have that movement in order to do it, but it does work for your favor when taking these out too, so use that to your advantage. Now, let's see what we can do here with this one. There we go. I'm thinking we're going to do a lot better with this one than we did with the other one. Let me see where the other piece went. There it is. There we go. Here's the hole. Both the holes are the same. And the nut. Now, before we tighten things up, a little bit of leverage. Get the wrench on there. Now we're going to cinch her up. me. Tighten up the other end. There we go. Let's do the cam bolts. Just trying to make sure I can cinch it down. There we go. Now the alignment's probably completely out of whack. There. Got them in. They're tightened up enough now that I can drive it to the shop and they can then go here and complain about all the anti-seize and then adjust it and get my toe right, because that's what this is. And then we can get rid of that scrub on these tires and put new tires on it. So this scrubs it, moves the tire in and out, so it twists it that way. Now we can do that. That was their complaint. Now we got it taken care of. I don't know if they're going to complain about anything else in the alignment parts, but they can at least get this done and get rid of this scrub. So we're done here. Let's go ahead and button everything up and see what else we got to do. And any words of wisdom that I've learned in this process to summarize. Hey folks, yeah, the job's done. Got them both off. Some in better shape than others. But this whole job, if you figure out, gosh, these are $100, just rounding up. The bolts, you're gonna shell out another $20, $30 for the bolts. The nuts, and I strongly encourage you to get them. You can reuse the one cam thing. Just polish her up on a brush, and you can reuse that one that's loose for the other cam bolt that matches and goes into these grooves that matches this. So that's not a big issue. Rust. Rust is different. Very rusty, not very rusty. Why is it that way? I don't know. But the cam bolts seem to be rustier than the stationary bolts at the lower part. Not sure why, what, or how, but apparently they get more rust on them. But they're also the worst ones to get off. Now keep in mind, you got metal washer or metal bushing with rubber around it. Inside is rust. When you put the new ones on, uses it never sees. I got it everywhere, you know, but you know what? If it ever comes time to have to redo it, whether it be me or somebody else, they're going to probably praise me and thank me, and if it's me, I'll go, boy, was I smart. But either way, I got it done. All's got to be done now is the, how do you say it, the alignment. So I'll take it here at 3 o'clock. And it's 12 o'clock now, so I got a little time to clean up and reorganize my garage and everything else.